Welcome, they call me Big Herc, and on this channel you will see basic motorcycle install videos, wind therapy, vlogging, just our motorcycle life, enjoying each other's company and meeting new people and going to new places. My adventurous side exploring life with my not so adventurous wife, but we enjoy doing things together and it's a match made in heaven. Man, good morning everybody. This is day 3 on this West Coast trip. I got my guy Tez right there. Tez is right there. Tall is, thought he was already coming out, but he's coming out, got his bike warming up. But now we are, about to keep rolling. Destination today, I think, we're going to Utah. So we in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're gonna go up to Utah, check out some, and then we're gonna come back down, hit the Grand Canyon, hopefully, and we'll probably stay somewhere around there. So but I wanted to show y'all this view right there. We are gonna ride through downtown a little bit, I think, just to see it. But that view is just, I hope the camera can capture how pretty it is. Now the thing about it is, if you looked at the previous videos, I'm having some technical difficulties with my headset. Well, not my Cardo, but my microphone for the camera, my moto vlogging headset. So it's probably gonna be a lot of voiceover in these videos. But I'm still trying to bring y'all that good content. But there go Tar right there. So we about to roll.
What about to do to the highway, Tez? What you about to do to it? Down some pounds. we gonna beat that highway down. We gonna beat it down like it stole money from us today. Is that right? That's right. It did.
This is something new, but I had to get some rolling shots of the fellas as they was riding by. Look at the colors. This is starting off to be a great ride. Been a long time since seeing this kind of scenery, but it is my first experience in it on a motorcycle. Also, just want to go ahead and put it out there. This is going to just be a riding video with just some of the highlights and some amazing views. We done stopped, got gas, got Tez over there, we all done filled up, and we are getting our cold weather gear on. Right now, it tripped me out. I just got the phone with the missus. Let me take my finger out. It is 52 degrees, and we're gonna continue to be climbing the elevation. So yeah, I got my overpants on, which I already had them on. Only thing I'm putting on now is really my gator. Everything else I already had on. I'll probably run with the heated grips on a little more. But yeah, we're in Albuquerque. No, shoot. You even know where we at? We still in New Mexico. And the Loves. I thought about going over there. There's a clean, old school 50 model 60 Chevrolet pickup truck. You just do a flyby. It's like the sky never ends. Right now, we're going through an unincorporated community of the Apache County called Grenada, Arizona. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Made a pit stop to stretch our legs and bought some handmade necklaces from a local. Tell me what these are.
These ones are Kingman turquoise, stir cut zigzag. The shape is called chevron. And then red apple coral with there's onyx, there's red lip abalone shells, there's white buffalo, and there's hazel stone. That one.
What's this one?
Yeah, this one's red lip, white buffalo, red apple coral, then with the onyx too. So Kingman turquoise. Chevron, the way the shape is, the star cut zigzag.
close to the Four Corners landmark, but we had somewhere we were trying to get so we continued on our destination. Currently, we're going through the community of Cayente, Arizona. Like I said before, I hope I'm pronouncing these correct, but that's the way I think it's supposed to sound. After getting some snacks, we filled up the bikes and rode around and checked out the scenery before heading back out. And of course, snapped a few pics.
Man, I never seen that water out there. When we was down there.
This day was so amazing that I split it up into 2 parts so I wouldn't have one long video for the whole day. I want to say thank you to everybody that tuned in and stuck around to the end. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.